This short video will show you how to find your in-transit items. So from the LS2 launch page, you'll again select cataloging, and you'll need to put in your username and password if you haven't already changed your password, and then click on Advanced up here in the right-hand corner. Again, we'll go to Item Status, and from here we'll click on the drop-down menu, and you're going to want to select the first in-transit item that you see here. And then we're going to add another parameter, and it will be our location. And it populates Jefferson for me, so then I'll just click Search. And we currently have 10 items in transit. And that's how you find your in-transit items. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.